I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle.
Ooh-wee. This is what 18K looks like on a 16-piece sharp, my bad. This is going out to Spokane, Washington, right out here in Washington, a little further out of Seattle, a couple hours out. But this is done to perfection. 18 karat gold grill. My guy spent about $1,800, but he wanted that 18K look. A little bit different than 10K, a little bit different than 14K, just a little bit darker, man. Get that fresh look, fresh. 18K is just different, man. This one's got the high polished, wet look. Look like it's fresh out of the ocean with that Fred the Jeweler polish, man. If you need you one of these, inbox us. This will be in the descriptions on YouTube. If you want to go ahead and buy you one, no problem. If you search these on the website, you can always pick the carat on any of the grills. You can pick 10K, 14K, 18K, and up. Yellow, white, rose, whatever color you're looking for, guys, and it will be there for you. Thank you, everybody that's been tapping into the channel, man. That's been supporting YouTube, helping us grow. The channel's going up, and away, y'all. So thank you guys for once again supporting us and giving us nothing but true love. Day ones and all the people that just got on board, nothing but love to you too. Thank you, everybody that's been working with us, allowing us to get back to the original process of these things, which is doing proper molds. If the mold is even a little slightest bit off, it's not gonna fit, y'all. But I thank you guys so much for supporting the crew, supporting the team, and hope you guys have a blessed week. Peace out.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than rose clips. Send you a mold kit, send you a mold kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole